Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix TPM 2.0 for Valorant and Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to actually check is the BIOS type on your system device or on your PC. So you need to actually just open the start menu and search for system information as you from here. Click on it, and now from here you will see the BIOS type. So you need to make sure that it is UEFI. After that, you need to search for TPM 2.0.msc. Hit on enter, and now you need to make sure that the TPM is ready to use. After that, now you need to just click on the start menu, click on the power menu and restart, and after that you need to open the BIOS settings. So just spam delete or whatever is the BIOS button for your device. So you can actually check it up online, like what is the BIOS button for your device. It could be actually F1, F2, F12 or delete button or any other key like that. After you check what is the button, you need to restart and open the BIOS settings. After that, I'll see from here, after you open the BIOS settings, you need to go to the security and then you need to go to advanced settings from there. Then you will see the secure boot option. So the place of the secure boot option depends on your device and the type of your device. Then after you find it, you need to enable it and then save these settings and restart your PC. Then hopefully your issue will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.